Morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Daniel Yang, and I'm Southeast Asia Manager at EverFocus Electronics. Thank you for tuning in our webinar today. And before we start, just for your information, if you have any question or comment during the session, please feel free to scan the QR code beneath the information line. And feel free to ask any question. We have a very professional speaker today. And without further ado, let's begin. Today's webinar topic is how to enhance business competitiveness with sustainable smart factory solutions. In this brief session, we'll be exploring how these solutions drive efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and make businesses more effective and responsive. We'll be sharing plenty of successful stories around the globe and some inside information to specific businesses and optimizing resources and creating safer and more connected workplace. In a world defined by increasing competition and environmental concerns, smart factory that blends sustainability with innovation and redefining how business operates. Our expert speaker will provide actionable starting point to boost competitiveness, profitability, and sustainability. By the end of our session, we aim to inspire you to embrace sustainable smart factory solutions as the path to more competitive and resilient business future. Thank you for joining us today. Today, we're honored to invite our affiliate company speaker, Vice President Dennis from Sparktech, Regional Account Manager David from Crosser, and Business Development Manager Jimmy from EverFocus to talk about how to enhance business competitiveness with sustainable smart factory solutions. Dennis, Shi, and David will be our case representative speaker, and Jimmy will be on the product side to share some ideas. Before we start, let me have a brief introduction of our three affiliate companies. So Sparktech is a leading software CMS system development company who provides cutting-edge CMS software solutions. Crosser, in the other hand, is an Intel-based IPC manufacturer who provides high-performance and robust Intel-based IPC hardware. Today's webinar will be awesome, informative. So now let's welcome our first speaker, VP Dennis from Sparktech, to share a smart factory case.
Hello everyone, I'm Dennis from Sparktech. Today I'm honored to attend this webinar to discuss the impact of smart factoring in reducing carbon emissions by enhancing the efficiency of the production process in the factory. I will introduce how Sparktech's solution can help on this topic. International regulations such as the EU CBAM initiative and the US CCA policy are tightening control over carbon emissions. It takes market demand for carbon reduction increasingly, and also drives the enterprise emphasize the importance of monitoring carbon footprints and tries to build a solution to address this issue. I am excited to introduce a solution that provides real-time monitoring of energy usage and carbon emissions. This solution not only enhances your insight into energy management, but it also ensures your factory's compliance with environmental policies. Our solution mitigates the risk of equipment failures, production interruptions, and gives you substantial savings on maintenance costs. In addition, our system supports data collection and integrations, allowing you to calculate the carbon footprint of your products. Whether your focus is on cost effectiveness, sustainability, or compliance, our solution is customizable to meet your specific requests. In our solution architecture, we use SPG NX80 industrial gateway to gather sensor data from the modern devices like PLC, motor, and power meter through Modbus protocol. For the traditional devices, EverFocus NVIDIA Series Gateway serves as a bridge, utilizing IP cam to capture images of traditional meters. Through Edge AI technology, NVIDIA Gateway can recognize the value of traditional meter. The data in both kinds of Edge gateways can be transmitted to the workstation. In our solution, we use high performance of ever-focused NVIDIA series products as the workstation. It contains Sparktech's centralized IoT platform, visualizing the collected data and offering remote management capabilities for AI models, firmware, and production parameters. Additionally, data is stored locally, mitigating the risk of confidential information leakage. Furthermore, we have a cloud-based platform which offers an intuitive and remote interface to manage workstations in different factories. Presenting our framework of carbon reduction strategy recommendations from 3 perspectives. First, the energy management. Our solution has carbon emission hotspot and the energy usage analysis to generate the consumption prediction. Second, the quality management. We use AI recognition to enable OCR and the AOI functions to provide the product quality inspection to support the manufacturing yield analysis. Third, the device management. Our solution has OTA update capability to keep our industrial gateway and NVIDIA series device containing up-to-date firmware and AI models for predictive maintenance. Now let's dive into our platform. First one shows the real-time power consumption compared with the expected value. There is a map view to show the carbon emissions from different factories, and it also shows annual power consumption, cumulative carbon emissions, and the target achievement rate. It helps you to establish the energy saving strategies and adjust the target emissions. The second one shows the real-time tracking of the various key indicators within your factory. It offers streamlined production and timely deliveries, contributing to overall efficiency of your manufacturing process. Historical inventory comparison chart, allowing you to analyze the compared inventory quantities over time. It helps you preventing from overstocking and stockouts. Manufacturing yield analysis chart is used as improving the production parameter configuration. In today's webinar, we introduce a comprehensive solution that brings significant benefits across key areas. Real-time monitoring and analysis empower enterprise to make informed decisions, reduce operational costs, and contribute to sustainable development through insight into carbon reduction. The integration of predictive equipment maintenance can minimize unexpected breakdowns, decreasing maintenance costs and downtime. Furthermore, our solution supports seamless data integration from various systems, provides enterprise efficient resource management, and achieve your carbon reduction goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy our webinar.
Thank you, Dennis, for shedding light on sustainable smart factory solutions and why choosing ever-focused products is an optimal choice. However, to perfectly implement these solutions, it's essential to have robust products as part of the equation. So now let's welcome our Business Development Manager, Jimmy, to share the latest product offering in NVIDIA industrial computers and gateway solutions.
Hello everyone, I'm Jimmy Wang from EverFocus. Today, I want to share some success story from our company and maybe from some of our clients that might sound familiar to many of you. Here at EverFocus, being a company listed on the stock market, we've been closely watching the global trends towards sustainability. A big part of this trend is following the Sustainability Accounting Standard Boards, or SASB for short. These results are about measuring how we affect the world in ways that make sense for different kinds of business. In the process, we face several big challenges. Let me tell you how we are dealing with these challenges and turning them into opportunities to innovate and lead. The first challenge is using too much energy. Manufacturing consumes a lot of power, affecting both our costs and the planet. What did we do? We start using Gateway to upload the data to the IoT platform. For some control panel, like the I/O interface, we use our cameras and AI Edge to monitor power usage. These cameras can read meters in our engine room and send the data over the network. We also use our gateway product to read power meters and send the information to the IoT platform. The third challenge is ensuring quality. It's crucial to maintain high quality in our products and help our workers perform at their best. We use advanced AI and gateways on our product lines. These act like a smart brain for AI, tracking our products, recording videos, sorting them with VMS, and sharing the results with our clients. We did this with a CNC company, helping them reduce defects and improve the worker performance. The fourth challenge is updating data when the budget is tight. How do we assist with data updating when control panels don't have the right connections? Or how do we ensure everything is okay when we don't have anyone watching the screen? We developed smart cost safety solution that really challenge the game for us. Now, let me tell you about our NVIDIA series, designed for tough and various uses. These products work with NVIDIA JSON platform and are built for multiple expansions. They have a rich design, support most type of IoT communication models, and work in a wide range of temperatures. Thanks to a special fin design that affects display peak. At EverFocus, we are not just creating new AI age tech, we are dedicated to being sustainable, responsible, and ethical. These are key parts of our ESG goals. We believe in not just offering solutions, but also working with our clients to meet their unique needs. Together, we provide the solutions for a smarter, more effective, and safer industrial world. If you are interested in our NVIDIA product series, please contact our sales team. I'm excited to talk about how EverFocus can work with you on your product design as well. Together, we can help build a more sustainable future.
Thank you, Jimmy. Beyond our NVIDIA product line, we also offering an alternative development platform that caters to customer-specific requirements. With our Intel-based solutions, let's extend our warm welcome to David as they introduce our Intel-based solution offerings.
Hello to everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar hosted by EverFocus Group. My name is David Chu from Corsa Technology. My position is Regional Account Manager for the European area. And I'm very delighted to be here as your speaker for today's sections. Today, we will be discussing an exciting and important topic, how the Corsa HAI solutions contribute to ESG. During this webinar, we aim to provide you with valuable insights and various devices, showcase its capabilities and applications. Considering the deterioration derived from greenhouse gas, net zero is a paramount target for enterprises to scrutinize carbon emissions and social responsibility, preserving the environment. In the following slide, I will refer to some application scenarios. The framework will help rapidly showing how a Corsa HAI solutions function on premises. The solutions derive sensation performance AES Q670A1. HAI device is powered by Intel Core 12 and 13th generation processor with the NVIDIA RTX series graphic card. It performs outstanding computing capacity for image recognition, automation, video streaming, and other AI influence applications. HAI device manages overall operation and facility, also provisions real-time adjustment in response to potential issues and the critical problems. Power supply offers 12 to 36 voltage DC in power, which does not only ensure the high performance but also secures the operation substantially. DDR5 memory up to 64 GB gives superior read-write speed. A bundle I/O contains 6 of serial ports, 6 of the USB, multi-HDMI, and DP port, including wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi and M.2 extension slot, 2 of swappable 2.5-inch SSD slot, and the single FNAE SSD socket for optimal storage performance. AMD DNV3 is designed for SD-WAN and the UCBE platform, which enables agile deployment and secures network solutions for enterprise endpoint. While stepping down the network complexity architecture, the appliance integrate with SD-WAN structure where virtualized network functions are broadly distributed performing managed service such as cloud-based next-generation firewall, SASE, and the zero trust network access. The flexible approach minimizes risk in supply chain as well as reduces considerably network investment. So 5G platform is powered by Intel Atom C3000 server-grade processor and supports diverse network interface in response to different requirements. There are 6 of 2.5 GB Ethernet, 2 of 1 GB SSD fiber, and 2 of 10 GB SSD plus fiber. Also, the onboard TPM 2.0 hardware security. Thank you for your attention, and we look forward to supporting your journey towards ESG excellence. Thank you again, and see you soon.
Thank you, all three of you, for your insightful presentation today. And for me, it's really interesting to hear all of the information and new product coming up next year. So right now, I'd like to direct a question to Dennis. Could you share some of the challenges or the issues you encounter or you face during the deployment and planning phases?
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Certainly, a key challenge during deployment was ensure seamless integration for diverse devices. To address this issue, our innovative device management involves a modular deployment approach. Breaking down the deployment into manageable modules not only streamlines the process, but also significantly saves the cost. This approach optimizes resource usage and allows for efficient updates, making the smart factory not just sustainable but economical efficient in its deployment and ongoing operations.
Okay, thank you, Dennis. So modularized deployment really speed up the project deployment process a lot, and helping a lot of SI and distributors around the world to doing their project. So right now, I also like to direct a question to Jimmy. So in the context of these cases, could you share what were the most challenging aspects in terms of product design, and what do you see as future planning opportunities for product deployment under these cases?
Okay, Daniel, that's a great question. In our hardware design, the biggest challenge is meeting the specific needs of different applications. To reach this goal, we've gotten valuable feedback from our client, sales, and support teams in very early stage. They have been pointing out needs like mounting, SSD storage, wireless features, and more. Also, it's very important to think about how to get rid of heat from NVIDIA SOM in our designs. Since the series is made from industrial use, managing heat well is a key to keeping our product stable.
Thank you very much, Jimmy. So it seems like EverFocus, we've done a lot of research and study on product design, especially on NVIDIA series, to make it, especially on heat reduction, which has increased the performance of the solution a lot. And also that's a great news for all our customers around the globe. And so now I also like to direct a question to David. So since across our Edge AI solutions are strongly engaging ESG practice, which is a great news for our planet Earth. So for that, I'd also like to ask a question for you. What can we expect from Across this year, which is 2024?
Okay, thank you, Daniel. I think the action plan for 2024 is committed to automation and the vehicle product applications. Also, we take into account the high-end and the rugged products. Along with other members in the group, we will share the resources jointly to extend the market share and attend more customers around the world. But the most important thing for us is that I believe that over the following years, there are some promising prospects jointly with our members in the EverFocus group. So I would really appreciate that every co-workers and colleague from the group, and you guys are lovely. Thank you.
Thank you, David. Thank you very much. So based on the excellent presentation by both speakers, let us summarize our key points. First, AI can greatly help automate and enhance factory operations. By using industrial PC with artificial intelligence capabilities to collect and analyze data, CNC owner can improve efficiency, reduce operating costs, and create new operating models. Second, in terms of implementation and product selection, The integrated solution provided by EverFocus provides the flexibility to solve specific problems and quickly solve customer challenges. We hope you find this insight shared in this program valuable. Now, we'd like to start a Q&A session. Okay, thank you for your watching, and please join our social media and scan QR code to inquire us about your product, and we'll contact you as soon as possible. Bye.
Call
A crosser.